So my kitchen timer now has a PCB. It's pretty cool. It looks just like the rendering on the Oshpark website where I got these from, and this is my first time having a PCB made and everything. But it looks really cool. The lettering is very good. Somebody had a blog post about the minimum size that Oshpark could print for the lettering, and it was like 0.024, something like that. And I used that on these connectors over here, and it's definitely very small, but it's readable. And so they were right. And it looks really cool. And they give you 3 of them when you do an order. It's $5 a square inch for a 2-sided board like this, and these 3 cost $21. So very cool. Oh, on the sides of them, they had a little bit of extra material where I think they hooked them together and they clipped them and shipped them to me. So I just used some wire cutters to clip off the excess that was there, and then I got a file there, and I filed down the remaining part and got them all nice and smooth. And it turned out really nicely. And oh, I put little rounded corners on there, and that totally worked. So I'm really pleased with these things, and they look really great. I used the multimeter and tried testing a few of the different connections, and everything looks good. Like I put the ground and the 5 volts together to make sure that there was no continuity there, and a couple other connections, and it all looks really good. So I am going to try to solder up one of these PCBs and see if it works. So I laid out all the parts that I'll be using. I might not solder all the connectors onto all the external parts today, but I'll definitely get the microcontroller and the basic stuff that it needs to run, like the crystal and stuff like that, on there, and see if the PCB has any problems on it. And if it does, I won't put this video up. I'll probably put it up anyway. But yeah, it's really cool.